In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the alarm sound on your iPad is too low. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Sounds. From here, just make sure you increase the slider for the ringtones and alerts, because this slider also controls the sound of your alarm. After you've done that, now just disable Change with buttons. If this toggle is enabled, you will be able to increase or decrease the sound of the ringtones and alerts using the volume button. So make sure you disable this toggle so you will not accidentally decrease the sound of the ringtones and alerts using the volume buttons. After you've done that, now in the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility, and from here just scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual. Now if mono audio is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off, and after that just scroll down and check if this balance slider is balanced to the middle or not. If it is either on the left side or on the right side, you will face volume issues on your iPad, so make sure you set this slider to the middle. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process has been completed, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings, but this time just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad. After you do that, then just go back to the General Settings and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, then select Reset. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your iPad. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your iPad. It will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.